Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start now by closing every Office app and saving unsaved files. This prevents data loss. Once done, confirm Windows and Office updates are installed, and your license is active because pending updates can block startup. Next, launch Excel in safe mode. Hold Control while opening or run the command Excel/safe to isolate add-ins. This first sequence reveals whether the problem is an add-in or corrupted startup item. You will act differently depending on that result. Once safe mode shows add-ins are suspect, go to File, Options, Add-ins, then Manage COM add-ins and uncheck everything. Restart Excel to test. If that fails, run Quick Repair from Settings Apps Microsoft Office Modify. It fixes registry and broken references quickly. Also check Excel Start and alternate startup folders. Rename any personal macro workbooks or files to prevent auto-opening corrupted books. Doing these middle steps lets you separate configuration. You finish by escalating. If Quick Repair did not help, run Online Repair to reinstall Office without losing settings. It replaces core files. Make a new Windows user and launch Excel there to determine if the issue is profile-specific. This often reveals permission or registry user hive problems. Finally, if Excel still won't open, start Excel in safe mode and then check Event Viewer for application errors. That log entry points to the failing module and gives the one key troubleshooting clue you need.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.